If I had just done this one thing right from the beginning, I would have so much more success and a heck of a lot more money. What's going on, guys? I'm Josh Smith, aka the Dadtrepreneur, and welcome back to the channel where we're all about helping you create a legacy of wealth and freedom here. And as you can see, the background is just a little bit different. We are currently on the road. This is kind of our home away from home for the next 6 weeks while we are homeless. And trying to find a new place to stay. But anyway, enough about that. What is this one thing you were asking? I'm excited to share it with you guys in this video today. So let's dive into it. Okay, so I promise you guys, you could do every single thing wrong in your entire business. But if you get just this one thing right, it could make all of the difference. So what is this one thing we are talking about? And the topic of our video today is doubling down on what's working for you right now. It's a very simple concept, but it is a very, very powerful concept. And I see this all too often with brand new business owners, brand new affiliate marketers. They get going, they start getting some results, they're all happy. And instead of doubling down on what's working, all of a sudden they start looking for the next thing. They get a little bit of shiny object syndrome and they think, okay, now I gotta learn ads. Now I gotta do this. You know, how can I get traffic from different sources, okay? And the perfect example of this is myself, okay? I'm not exempt from this, and this is why I wanna share it with you guys, is because this is something that I struggled with for a long time, and it's really held my business back, okay? Until recently, when I kind of identified it and said, okay, you know what? I'm gonna stick to what I'm doing. I'm gonna stick to what I know. I'm gonna stick to what's worked for my business, and I'm gonna double down on it, and I'm gonna figure out how to make it work more, okay? So, an example of this would be like, you know, a TikTok account, right? All of you know by now that I've had a lot of success in my business, mainly because of TikTok. So what happened in about July was there was all kinds of stuff in the MMO niche, okay? Make money online type of niche. And they were shutting down videos for using certain hashtags, making certain claims. And accounts like mine were getting banned left and right. And what happened was I grew an account to about 205,000 followers, the Winning Edge formula, and then it got shadow banned. I stopped getting new traffic to my page. And at this time, it was happening to a lot of affiliate marketers. And what happened was, all of them started jumping ship to different platforms. Like, oh, TikTok, it's a sinking ship. It's a sinking ship. Get out now, get out now. And, you know, they got distracted, okay? Because what happens is in entrepreneurship and in business, people think it's like this linear path, right? It's not linear at all. It's ups and downs. I say it all the time. It's like taking a handful of spaghetti, throwing it at the wall, in the stuff that sticks. That's your path to success. It's all over the place. It's up and down. Again, it's just all over the place. So where I was going with that is that people think it's this linear path, and it's not, okay? So you're gonna run into roadblocks along the way. But every time that happens, it's not time to panic, okay? It's time to figure out, okay, why did this work in the first place? Why is it not working now? And will it continue to work in the future? So all these people are jumping to different platforms like Instagram and focusing on different channels. And you know, it's great to have leads coming in from multiple places, but when you're just getting started, and if you're like me, you're doing affiliate marketing because you have limited time and limited resources, you can't necessarily focus on a whole bunch of different things. We need one thing. So I identified why things weren't working on TikTok, and while everybody else was running away to different platforms, I figured out why my TikTok worked in the first place. I figured out how other people were still having success with the platform because it is the fastest growing platform, okay? It's the most watch time platform. It's the best, most powerful social media platform right now. So the example is, while everybody was running away, I made a commitment over a few month period, and I started a brand new account, which is one that most of you probably know me from now, the Dadtrepreneur account, and it's almost up to 200,000 followers now, just a few months later, okay? And while everybody is focusing on these other platforms, I said it time and time again, double down on what's working right now. And so I really took that to heart the last couple of months, and I started doubling down hard on my TikTok channel, staying consistent with it, and then with email marketing, okay? Which is a great thing. In all you affiliate marketers, all you online business owners, you should be learning about affiliate market, or you should be learning about email marketing, because it's so powerful to your business. So I started doubling down on what I knew was working. And I told people, hey, this isn't to toot my own horn, but I caught the vision of what was going on. And I told people, and you see all these people now struggling, they're on Instagram, they had success for a little bit, and they're going through the same thing, okay? Right now, at this time of year, there's a lag time in all of this stuff, okay? There's the hangover from people spending a lot of money at New Year's resolution time, at Christmas, there's a lag time. People just aren't buying things right now. So everybody's in panic mode again. Now they're starting to leave Instagram, like, where can I go next? I'm gonna do, Pinterest ideas. I'm gonna do a YouTube channel. Where can I go next? And they keep jumping from thing to thing, and they're never getting the results that they truly want, okay? So you gotta stick it out. That's the point of all of this, is that you gotta stick it out. And when you find something that's working for you right now, double down on it, okay? So for TikTok, we'll continue with that example, okay? Say you're posting one time a day, and you're growing, 10,000 followers a month. Okay, here's how you double down on it. You wanna get to 20,000 followers a month, start posting 2 times a day, okay? It's pretty simple. If you're posting 2 times already and you have the time, try to bump that up to 4 and see what happens. Just double down on what is already working. And you can stick with the platform, and maybe you don't have time to, or you don't want to spend time creating that much content. You don't want to post 4 times a day. Okay, stick with the 2 times a day. Can you start going live once a day, or once every other day, or a few times a week? Okay, that's how you can double down on what's already working for you, by adding something to your routine just a little bit, but not so far that you're distracted. You're still focusing on the main thing that's working. You're maintaining that posting, and then you're driving more traffic to your post by going live, and you're engaging those people who are already engaging with your account by going live and allowing them to come in and talk to you and learn from you and take recommendations, okay? So that's just one example. But again, it's really, really simple. Let me get back over here, and I've got some notes here that I really want to just make sure I cover a couple of key points for you guys before we wrap this one up. It's going to be a pretty quick video today, because again, it's a simple concept, but it's a very, very powerful concept. And what you need to understand is the people in business who create momentum, okay, who really start to see the results and don't just kind of coast along at the same. Again, more power to you. If your goal is to make $5,000 a month and you're content with that, you're making $5,000 a month and you just want to boop, 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 month over month, that's fine, okay? But I like working with people who are constantly striving for more, who are constantly striving to get better. It's kind of what makes me tick, and it helps me in my business. So a big jump I saw was after a couple months of doubling down on what's working, I literally saw the revenue in my business double, okay? We went from, 12K months or 15K months to 29,000 in the month of December 2021, because we're in 2022 now. That was literally, just a couple weeks ago now. But yeah, we literally doubling down caused the revenue in my business to double, okay? So again, it's one of the most powerful, simple things that you can do. I think you understand, kind of how that point is working right now, but here's the deal. It's like, you gotta be like a shark in online business, okay? And in business in general, and you see something that's working, especially if it's a trend, okay? Because trends don't last forever. You see something that's working, you smell blood in the water, and you're like a shark, and you get to that as fast as you can. Work like mad to double down on what it is you are doing, and that will produce more and more results faster, and it will allow you to catch this momentum and ride this momentum and just keep growing in your business at an upward trend like this. So again, key thing here is really stop just jumping from thing to thing and having shiny object syndrome, okay? Find something that's working for you, figure out what's working for you, double down on that, move forward, and just kind of milk it for all it's worth, right? Okay, so that's kind of why you should be doubling down, and kind of how you can be doubling down. Now, if you are one of those people that you don't have a thing yet, right? Your thing isn't working yet, you don't necessarily know the fundamentals of running an online business. So you're like, how do I even do a TikTok? How do I even, get traffic? How do I set up my funnel? What is some of this stuff that you're saying, Josh? I'm not following. I like the idea of doubling down, but I don't have my thing yet, okay? Here's what's working right now. We mentioned it. Affiliate marketing businesses for complete beginners, hands down the most powerful way to start growing a business for somebody with limited time and limited resources, okay? Because in affiliate marketing, you're partnering with companies and businesses who already have all their business practices established. That means they're handling sales. That means they're handling customer service. That means they're creating the products, fulfilling the products. They are handling 99% of the headaches that come along with a business. You simply partner with them in this affiliate marketing business model. You focus on one thing. That is the marketing/promotion is what I like to say, but really it's just marketing. You get to focus on that one thing and one thing alone, and you make some pretty good commissions when people buy, okay? So that's what's working right now in the industry is affiliate marketing, and you could take advantage of this, right? Again, you can partner with a company. I'll leave a link down below to the 15-day challenge, which is the company that I have partnered with. And actually just last night, fun fact for all of you that have been following for a while, I achieved platinum rank with them, which means I've generated over $100,000 now with that one program. I believe they're the best affiliate partner out there, especially for complete beginners. You're gonna get amazing training. You're gonna learn all about this business model. They're gonna hold your hand. They're gonna walk you through the process of setting up your first affiliate marketing business. They're gonna teach you some high income skills that you need for the marketing promotion part of the business. And again, you're gonna get amazing training, and you'll have the opportunity to partner with them and promote their company as well, which has an amazing sales funnel and has an awesome commission structure. So again, they're my favorite affiliate partner right now. Their offer is super hot. So if you're a beginner, you're looking to get into this stuff, you wanna learn the fundamentals, you wanna find your thing that's working so you can double down on it, check out that link down in the description. And again, I don't know if you hear the pig honking. We got her distracted for long enough to make it almost all the way through the video, but I'm gonna wrap this one up now. Again, go out there. If you're one of those people who's already got something that's working, think about how you could start doubling down on it to start driving those results in your business. If you found this video helpful, you like the concept of doubling down, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and never miss another video. I'm out. I'll talk to you guys later.